Welcome to the demo of our QR code attendance app, designed to make tracking class attendance seamless. Teachers begin by navigating to the secure web portal and logging in with their registered email and password. The authentication process is quick and straightforward. Teachers easily log into their secure web portal. Once inside, the dashboard provides a quick overview of their teaching statistics and past lecture history. To take attendance, the teacher simply selects the necessary parameters from the drop-down menus, including the course, student batch, semester, subject, and time slot. Once set, a single click generates a unique attendance QR code. Notice the timer at the bottom. This code refreshes dynamically to prevent cheating and proxy attendance. Now, let's switch over to the student's perspective on the mobile app. Students log into their personal accounts directly from their smartphones. When the teacher displays the QR code, the student simply uses the app's scanner to capture it. Within seconds, their attendance is successfully marked and verified. Security is a major focus of this application. Because the teacher's QR code refreshes dynamically, students must scan the live code right there in the classroom. If a student attempts to bypass the system by scanning an old screenshot, an expired code, or a completely invalid format, the app immediately detects the discrepancy. After a quick processing check, it blocks the attempt and displays a clear error message, ensuring absolute data integrity. Beyond just daily scanning, students can navigate to their attendance records to view their complete history, track their attendance percentages by subject, and review their digital student profile. A complete, paperless, and smart solution for modern classrooms.